Hello everybody, JS Games here. Welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you standard cube notation. So when you're doing an algorithm, like let's just say R, U, R, I, U, I, you sometimes, like if you are just starting, you don't know what that means. So I'm going to be showing you standard cube notation. So basically what to turn and how to turn it when you're solving a cube. So you want to make sure you keep it the same way throughout the entire algorithm, unless it uses like X, Y, and Z, but that's different. So we're going to start off with the first few things you need to know. So there is F, R, L, U, D, and B. So it's front, back, up, down, left, and right, so you know where all the things are. So next is, so that's basically all the things you really need to know, and there's things, sometimes if you see an apostrophe, the little dot, little slash right on top, that means prime, so that's counterclockwise. So normally if you see like R, U, R, I, U, I, you would go R, it's clockwise, U, clockwise, RI, or R apostrophe, or R inverted, or R counterclockwise, you would turn it like that. And then UI, you would turn it like that. And yeah, so that's basically what it is. So yeah. So that was only 3x3. So now I'm going to show you some other cubes you can apply this with. So 2x2 is basically exactly the same thing. So R, RI, L, U, D, F, and B. Everything is exactly the same on the 2x2, except there's no middle layer. So it's easier. The next one I'm going to show you is 4x4. So there's a few things you need to know. So everything is exactly the same, except there's a few other things you need to know. So if it says capital R, then it obviously means like that. Also, if you see like R2, that means that you move R twice, just so you know. And that's on all cubes. So like R, just capital R, and sometimes you'll see capital parentheses, capital R, little r, parenthesis. That means you would move this outer layer and this inner layer. So you would go like that. When you have R, you're just moving the inner layer clockwise from that R side. So little L would be like that. And everything is similar to that. Just like it. So R, L, little u, little d, and everything else is the same for the 4x4. So yeah, next is the 5x5. Basically, it's exactly the same as the 4x4, R, capital R, little r, L, and everything. It's basically the same as the 4x4. So if you're getting into more complex algorithms like CFOP, when you have these cubes, sometimes there's a thing that says M, which is moving this middle layer up. So M prime would be like that. So yeah, that's basically all you need to know. And for other cubes, like a pyraminx, there's just basically just no F. So it's just like R, you just move this right side like that, L, U, and just basically everything like that. So there's no real F or D, because it's all right there, and there's definitely no M because you can't like do that. So yeah, that's here. I'll show. So most people don't know what this is. This is a square one. So basically, it's a cube that orients itself across like this. So for example, if I have an algorithm that says 2, 1, slash, that would mean 2 on the top. Well, I'll do 3, 1, slash. So you do 3 clockwise. So that's one edge side. So that's one edge, and each of these corners is 2. So 1, 2, 3. And then on the bottom it said 1. We'll use 3 again, just to make it easier. It would go 1, 2, 3, slash. So it would look like that. So yeah, and then if you say negative 2 slash, no, negative 2, slash, you'd go negative 2, you'd go counterclockwise, so it's kind of like the prime or the I or apostrophe on the other cubes over there. So negative 2, and then over here, negative 3, we'll say, and then slash. So it looks a little different. And also, if you've come across a 0, for example, 3, 0, slash, you would go 1, 2, 3, and then don't affect this side because it's 0, and then slash. So yeah, and sometimes you'll get sometimes you'll have sorry, I'm just messing around with the cube. So sometimes you'll have negative sixes, which is basically, if you want to get really fast, that's just flipping the cube all the way around. So 6, boom. It doesn't even matter if it's negative 6, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the exact same thing as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's the same thing, just so you know. So yeah, that is just about it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, hit the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.